Hello, this is Kevin Wolf, and in this video, we're going to show how to create a deployment for your IoT application that you've currently built. I'm going to click on Studio, I'm going to click on Deployments, I'm going to go ahead and click on Instances and click on Add. We'll give it a name of Starter. Now we'll select the edition. In this case, we're going to select Container. Application is a Windows 10 UWP application that runs on Win 10 IoT Core, and Cluster is a version of our application that runs in Kubernetes that requires a little bit of custom setup. So I'll select Container. In this case, we have different options here where we can select Cloud, which means that you'll manage your own cluster or container deployment. Managed, which means that we'll be able to press a button and instantly deploy it to a data center up in New York City, and then on-premise if you actually have a local Docker's instance that you want to run this on. In this case, we're going to automatically deploy it, so I'm going to select Managed. Then we need to specify where our working storage is for the application. In this case, we're going to select Cloud. If you do select a on-premise version, you may want to select local there to be able to configure your storage to store things locally rather than the cloud. We need to select which solution we want to be able to start with this. And we don't have any versions on there, but this is where we can say that we want different instances running different versions of our solution. We'll select the subscription that goes with it. We'll select our image. In this case, it's one CPU, 1 gigabyte with 25 gigabyte RAM running on a SSD. We'll select the container repository. This is the one that actually pulls down the Docker image and starts it up on your Docker deployment to be able to run the application. And finally, we need to select the device repository. This is where any of the devices for this instance will be stored. We'll select that, and now we can hit save. At this point, we've created an instance that can be deployed.